Hi everyone, my name is Amruta Mahajan and welcome to my course Business Intelligence Workflow with Excel. I have been a data analyst and Excel VBA developer for the last 10 years, working on complex Excel-based applications in finance, software, and consumer goods industry. They say that the best camera is the one that's with you. The same can also be said of business intelligence tools. Most workplace PCs already have Excel installed, and you likely already know your way around it. In this course, we are going to look at all aspects of the business intelligence spectrum completely within Excel. We'll start by taking a closer look at Power Query that can be used to import data from various sources, both one-time as well as on an automated schedule. We will look at all the tools at our disposal for consolidating, shaping, and transforming all this data. We will do some what-if analysis and scenario planning. And finally close the course out by looking at cube functions that help us freely move the data between what is known as Excel data model and individual Excel cells. By the end of the course, you will be able to not just import data from various sources, but also confidently and efficiently shape and transform it according to your needs. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the basics of Excel. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn data analysis and representation on the Business Intelligence Workflow with Excel course at Pluralsight.